See if he can produce the goods. 3 3-minute rounds of Enfusion action.
Round 1.
Let's go.
Left high kick across the head.
Nice team. Oh, good kick. I love the sound of the shots here.
Yeah. Heavy. It's not as clean as the other techniques are being thrown, but that's a good right hand. Good leg kick as well from Prchal.
Oh, nice 1-2 to the middle. Some good combination work from the Czech Republic fighters. Nice kicking exchanges from both of them. They mean business. Bourgine is looking the most patient of the two. Let's see if it pays off later in the rounds.
You can be too aggressive, can't you?
Yeah. I had the same problem in the beginning of my career as well. I wanted to finish fights really early and gassed myself out like in late 3rd round or something, you know? But that's the age, that's the experience again.
Wise words from a wise man.
Distance. He's doing good work at the moment.
Yeah. Overhand right was big from Prchal.
Nice kicks. Oh, good left hook.
Bounces in. Big overhand right. Left hook.
Oh,
that was heavy.
very nice left hook. Bourgine needs to be patient at the moment. Bourgine has to be better at this moment. He's coming back with some good shots. But he needs to dictate the pace. Oh,
he's
look
backing
at
away.
that.
Turn his back there, Ilias.
Hard shots.
He can get a count here.
Yeah, he can get the count if he stays on that spot.
You know what it is? This is where knees work so well. You go right up the middle while they throw the wide hook.
Yeah.
This is what you was good at.
Yeah. I
And
love to
fighting
do
talents
those.
were good. You know the gym you was from?
Yeah.
Doing that really, really well.
That's the thing if you're fighting boxers like this, you know, like Moroccan.
I've said it too many times to people, you know. It looks like it's, oops.
Oh, hard shot. Yeah.
He's hurt here.
Yeah.
He's hurt here.
Yeah, Dominik is meaning business. Yeah, he took a good shot.
Nothing wrong with the height of Bourgine. He looks hurt though here at times. Maybe it's body language because of fatigue, Ilias, but nevertheless, you've got to go off that if you're a referee.
The heart of the lion is still there.
Yeah.
A bit more.
Yeah, so would I.
Now that this fatigue kicked in, you know. Ooh.
Not going to survive the 3rd round. He can't because he's going to come out
He's
crazy.
exhausted. Here we go. That's what we expected, Vinny. Let's see how Ilias copes with this. He's taking some good shots.
Can't keep him off him.
Yeah. Let's see if Dominik has the experience to finish this fight.
He's only 20 as well.
Yeah.
Ref's got to look at this. What I worry about is when he pulls back. That's when he's going to get hurt the most, Bourgine. When he pulls back.
Coming straight back with his own
Not here.
shot.
It's not it. It's when he pulls out that I worry about when he gets caught on the way out.
He's getting punished right now.
He has defended himself though, so fair play to use him acting.
Nothing is really landing clean, but it's still damage.
Yeah. Dominated this fight, hasn't he, Dominik? Heavy
hard
shot.
shots to the body. He's surviving, Ilias.
Yeah, he is surviving.
Yeah.
He's a settle down, Dominik. Doesn't have to throw wild things. Just walk him down. He's exhausted anyway.
Yeah.
Don't have to chase him. Oh, that was heavy.
Goodness. He's so exhausted that he even can't lift up his hands.
He can be taking shots he doesn't need to take.
Yeah. Oh, good knee to the middle. Yeah. He's got 45 seconds to finish this fight.
And it's a long time in there.
Yeah.
He could. That was good. That was good. I'm glad he gave him a count there.
Yeah.
Trouble is, he gave him a count and give him more energy now. You know?
Let's see if he can survive this last 30 seconds.
Gotta give credit. He's got Ilias Bourgine.
That's the heart of a lion, Vinny.
Oh, goodness gracious.
These Czech Republic fighters are so tough. They're really in here to fight and to give a show, you know. They don't have any, I don't know. They just go forward and, wow.
You gotta give him credit.
The fights didn't disappoint today, Vinny.
Yeah.
Wow.
I tell you what, I've never seen that happen. Oh, no, because the first fight wasn't Dutch.
No.
Oh, because they've only had one Dutch fight. Two Dutch fighters have lost. He said he hadn't won today.
Yeah,
wow. Here's some of the action. I mean, he was absolutely on fire. Psycho by name, a psycho by nature. He just absolutely burst out of the blocks and just went for it. And he really, really put on a monstrous performance of just absolute incredible energy. And here's Semeleer with the decision. We already know where that one's going. Dominik Prchal makes a name for himself here in the cage. Commiserations to Bourgine, he was no quit on him at all. However, it's very hard to get rid of.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. He's from the red corner, Dominik